Послушаем простой рассказ на английском. We are a big family of 7 people. We live in New York on Broadway. My son and my 2 daughters are students. Their grandmother is a doctor. She heals people and she enjoys doing it. She doesn't work every day. She helps me around the house. I also love helping people. My husband is an engineer. My father doesn't work now, but he will get a job soon. I like to talk with him about different things. My husband is a very interesting person. In the evening, we like to read books or watch TV. On weekends, we walk in the park and eat popcorn. Listen to the next story. Today is a beautiful sunny day. Birds are chirping outside the window. I woke up because the sun was shining brightly through my window. I woke up in a good mood. Every morning I open the window to let fresh air inside. I do sports every morning. Sport gives me a lot of energy for the whole day. I love to run and squat. For breakfast, I usually eat eggs or cottage cheese. This is healthy and wholesome food. Then I drink coffee with milk or tea with lemon. I really love croissants with cheese. I work from home so I can wake up later. I'm a designer. I like my work. I like working on the computer, but it's not good for my eyes. That's why sometimes I look out the window so that my eyes don't get tired. After work, I go for a walk. I like to walk along our streets. They are very clean and there are a lot of trees. I enjoy my life. Listen to the next story. Today is a beautiful spring day. I woke up in a good mood. The sun was shining through my window. There are flowers on the window. Flowers are also happy on a sunny morning. My cat was lying on the windowsill and enjoying the sun. Birds chirp cheerfully outside the window. I'm in a great mood, and I'll go for a walk this afternoon. I'll wear jeans and a t-shirt because it's hot outside. I like it when it's warm and the sun is shining. This weather gives me a good mood. There are people around me who like it too. Everyone likes the sun. the sun is always joyful. Listen to the next story. My favorite animal is the dog. Dogs are friendly and loyal pets. They come in many different breeds and sizes. Some dogs are big, like the German Shepherd, while others are small, like the Chihuahua. I have a dog named Max. He is a Labrador Retriever. Max is my best friend. He has brown fur and big, floppy ears. Every day, we go for walks together in the park. Max loves to chase after balls and play fetch. Dogs are very smart animals. They can learn tricks like sit, stay, and roll over. Max knows all of these tricks. He is also very good at understanding when I am happy or sad. Dogs are great companions because they always make us feel loved and happy. Taking care of a dog is a big responsibility. I make sure to feed Max every day and give him fresh water. I also take him to the veterinarian for regular checkups to keep him healthy. Max loves to cuddle with me on the couch and keep me warm at night. I love everything about dogs. They are playful, loyal, and always there for us. I can't imagine my life without Max by my side. He brings so much joy and happiness into my life, and I am grateful to have him as my furry friend. Listen to the next story. I received an email saying that I had received a box. I went to the transport company to pick up the box. The transport company is located near my work. When I arrived there, a company employee took my passport and verified the details. He handed me the box and smiled. He asked if I could have coffee with him. I politely declined, but I immediately liked him. When I got home and opened the box, there was a surprise waiting for me. There was a large bouquet of flowers and a small note. It was written on it, "Maybe you will change your mind." A phone number was written just below. Of course, I called him and we met in a cafe. We had a long and interesting conversation. We joked and laughed a lot. Now this guy is my husband. I'm happy that I met him.